every one of you, not only you people based on Assam, the entire country knows what is happening in Manipur last nearly 18 months, starting from 3rd May 2023, still burning in Manipur. Now, day by day, we thought that it may be resolved and it may be stopped this burning. But day by day, it is worsening. You know, day before yesterday, even yesterday also, how many people was killed. So yesterday, from yesterday, 6 person, 3 children. One is less than 1 year, 8 months old. The other 3 are women. Perhaps they might be mother. Now still they are in capture. So we captive, they are keeping in the captive. So we request to the governor, anyhow at any cost, please try to rescue these 6 person, including innocent 3 children, with the help of the maybe Honorable Prime Minister's intervention or maybe Honorable Home Minister's intervention. Without their immediate fresher intervention, it may be difficult also. With the blessing of God, we are always thinking to rescue these 6 people. We appeal from our party side. We appeal on humanitarian ground. Please release safe and secure. So who may be wrong or right, that is another. At least on humanitarian ground, please release this one. You know, in Manipur, where there is law and order, as per constitutional provision, law and order is purely state subject. And if any government who could not protect life and property of human lives, they could not protect the life of human being and to protect the properties of individual. What is the meaning of having this government in Manipur? So we apprise all these things. That is their outlook, whether they may be replaced Mr. Biren or not. That is not our outlook. We want to restore peace without further delay. I don't know what is there any secret or hidden agenda from the center. What they are doing, just like silent spectator. Sometimes we feel that whether we are belongs this big country or not. The treatment of this center, you know how many persons? More than 60,000, including women and children and old people. They are in the relief camp more than 18 months. Whether they thought that the people of Manipur is just like chicken, bolero, just like they are keeping in the relief camp. Now, this type of unfortunate incident is happened, whether it may be in Gujarat or UP or any other state of this country. How long they will look into like this? Sometimes we feel that let them kill each other, whomsoever can, let them survive. So we are just rushed from Imphal to submit a memorandum to the governor. So kindly intervene this matter with the help of Honorable Prime Minister or Honorable Home Minister. Without their immediate intervention, without their pressure, still we doubt. So our request, please intervene, please save those 6 persons, including that 3 innocent children, so that the people of Manipur what they are feeling. You people also might have seen that small children, less than 1 year old, they are just embarrassing by their mother. If something goes wrong, what will happen tomorrow or day after in Manipur? It is extremely difficult to predict. That's why we request to the Honorable Governor, who is in charge of Manipur also, without further delay, please intervene how to save this 6%. For that purpose, we rush this evening from Imphal to Guwahati.
Thank you. And